Hi, I'm Nathan Emmerich, and I'm the Microsoft Office 365 Program Manager for Fishers Technology. I'm excited to share this short video with you on Microsoft Office 365 and how this program benefits your business. Office 365 is a subscription service from Microsoft that provides access to Office applications, plus other cloud-based productivity services such as Exchange email, Skype, and online storage for businesses. People today want to be productive wherever they go. They want to work faster and smarter across their favorite devices while staying current and connected. Simply put, they want to have business tools that work as hard as they do. That is why Fishers Technology has partnered with Microsoft to bring the most robust and up-to-date enterprise-level tools to your organization with Office 365 for Business. Office 365 is built for teamwork. It gives you the ability to co-author and collaborate in Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, and many other familiar applications. You can work like you're all in one room, even when you're not, with HD video, desktop sharing, co-authoring, presentations, and much, much more. You can also take your Office anywhere with a set of Office mobile apps where you can securely access your important work documents on the go. Data is an organization's most valuable and irreplaceable asset. Microsoft Office 365 helps protect your data and devices all from one simple dashboard that is always up to date and working in the background. Manage users and devices with a single console and simplify the login process for users with a single login across all devices. We live in a modern world. Let Fishers help you create a modern workplace. Whether you need the ability to co-author documents, communicate more efficiently within and outside your organization, or ensure that your data is protected, Microsoft Office 365 for Business provides the enterprise-level tools you need to make it happen, with the support of your local Fishers team. Get in touch with Fishers today to learn more.